I'm Jen, and welcome to Happy Eating with Jen. I'm a gardener, I'm a mom, I'm a cook. Well, a home cook anyways. I love working with fresh vegetables and the bright colors and smells of things that I grow in my garden and putting those onto a plate.
Once you have all the stuff in there, you're going to mix it up really well. It's got to soak for a little bit before you can cook it, so you may end up adding a little bit more almond milk, at least I would, or water. We don't have a lot of sugar in here. We're sort of getting the sweetness from the dried fruits and berries and the honey and that ginger jam. Honestly, you can use any kind of flavor of jam you want. I just figured why not use jam instead of sugar because it's already got extra flavor in it. So there you go.